how to edit photo in frame photo editor है. First of all, open frame photo editor है. Then input photo. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to use for free couple frame with flower effect with flower border. Watch complete video, like video, subscribe video and share video.